Hello everyone and very welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and you're in English Learning Academy. In this channel you can learn English in an easy and fun way. So let's learn and have fun together. I need to find something fun to do. Hi Jack, how's it going? Not much Ella. I'm really bored today. What about you? Yes, same here. I've been watching TV, but it's not interesting anymore. Do you want to do something together? We could go out. Yes, that sounds great. What do you have in mind? How about go to that new pizza place downtown? I've heard good things about it. Oh, I love pizza. Let's eat. What time should we meet? How about in 30 minutes? I need to get ready. Perfect. I'll see you there. Hi, Jack. This place looks nice. It does. I'm excited to try their pizza. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pizza Paradise. My name is Sam and I'll be your waiter today. Can I start you off with some drinks? Hi, Sam. Yes, please. I'll have a cola. I would like a lemonade, please. Great choices. I'll be right back with your drinks. Look at this veggie pizza. It has all my favorite toppings. That sounds good. I think I'll go for a large pepperoni pizza. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order your pizzas? Yes, I like a large pepperoni pizza, please. And I'll have a medium veggie pizza. Perfect. Would you like any appetizers or sides with that? Do you want some garlic bread, Ella? Yes, garlic bread sounds delicious. We'll also have an order for garlic bread, please. Excellent choice. I'll get that sorted for you. And your pizzas will be out shortly. So, what have you been doing lately? Any new hobbies? Well, I started painting again. It's really relaxing. That's awesome. I'd love to see your paintings sometime. Sure, and what about you? Have you picked up any new hobbies? Not really, just playing video games and watching movies. But I want to start exercising more. Here's your garlic bread and your pizzas. Enjoy your meal. Wow, it looks amazing. Let's dig in. This garlic bread is so good. I know, it's perfect with some marinara sauce. So, what are your plans for the weekend? I might go hiking if the weather is nice. Want to join me? Yes, that sounds fun. We can take some snacks too. This is delicious. Mine is great too. Oh, hello?
Hi Ella, what are you up to?
I'm at Pizza Paradise with Jack. We're having a great time.
That sounds fun. Can you bring me a slice of cheese pizza?
Sure, what kind of cheese pizza do you want?
Just regular cheese, please.
Okay, bye-bye. Are you getting her pizza too? Yes, she wants a slice of cheese pizza. Excuse me, Sam. Yes? How was everything?
It was fantastic. Can we order one slice of cheese pizza to go, please?
Of course, I'll get that for you right away. After this, should we get ice cream? There's an ice cream shop nearby.
Yes, I really want chocolate ice cream.
And I'll have a strawberry. It will be a perfect end to our meal. Here's your slice of cheese pizza. Enjoy!
Thank you so much, Sam.
Today turned out great, from being bored to having fun together.
Yes, let's do this more often.